Okay, so we are going to try something on the wheels. This will be a short video, but we got the old Porsche, and as you can see those pictures, wheels are getting a little bit crappy. I just cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol. It's actually came out pretty decent. Cleaned up in all the holes and everything. I didn't do the back plates, obviously, but really wanted to see if I can get the shine back in the wheels. So we're going to try this out and see what happens. Wow. That is a great result. They were dingy looking. As you can see now, got a great reflection. And I did do in the back of these, just in the openings, and keep it clean for the brakes. Did in all these cracks. This is going to be interesting. I'll go ahead and do all four wheels, see how it all looks. Man, this car is coming out great. I know I've said this before for those of you who have watched my videos, but I am so excited to renovate, not really restore this car. It is gorgeous. Well, there's the wheel after a light buff. You can see it got rid of all the haziness that seems to get on these wheels, on a lot of them I've looked at. And you can see the reflection. That's pretty crazy for a semi-matte finish wheel, but I got one scratch there that I couldn't get out. I didn't want to work on it too hard. It's actually in the finish. But other than that, it came out really well. I didn't clean the backs of the barrels, but I did get where it's finished in the holes so that the brake dust doesn't show, and this stuff's supposed to clean off pretty easily. There's my Lamborghini, which has the same material on it, and I did take the wheels off of that one and do the barrels and the spacers you can see there. And they stay pretty spotlessly clean. I haven't cleaned this in about 2 weeks, and my wife's put about 300 miles on it, so keeps the dust down and not sticking to it. It isn't clean, trust me. You can see there, but it does clean up a lot easier. Just a quick rinse with a hose and it comes right off. So anyway, this is cool. I'm going to do the rest of the wheels. Okay, one wheel is done, and cleaning the other three. As you can see, this has got some streaks and stuff in it, which was in the other one. So surprisingly, the Avalon King ceramic sealant filled that in. So we'll do a comparison on these in a minute. And we'll see how they look. So here are all the wheels done. And I am very, very happy with the way they came out. Holy crap, knocking at all kinds of stuff. Very reflective, the dull finish is gone. And they look really well for the little bit of time I put in them. This was the worst one. And as you can see, very reflective. You can see my hand reflecting in there. I see the video camera reflecting in there. Yeah, maybe not. Anyway, they came up very well. This is not by any stretch an advertisement for Avalon King, but I will tell you, they came out very, 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 very well. I wish I had it outside so you could see it, but car's coming along. There she is with a little bit of wax on it. I am going to buff it one more time. I did use a polish on it and put some Meguiar's wax on it. I used 3M polish, and it paint came out very well, but I still see some swirl marks. Probably can't see them in this picture. A little bit there you can see. A couple little marks right in there, but overall it came out pretty well. I think they probably had some stuff on top of the car which rubbed through the cover that was on it. So anyway, car is coming along. I did put Meguiar's, I forget what it's called, Meguiar's black on this stuff, and that all came out great too. So the car is coming along. I am driving it now. I think I put about 85 miles on it, but I thought you might get a kick out of seeing this video. Avalon King, again, ceramic coating. Definitely recommend it for the wheels, and I am exceptionally happy about how they came out.